All right, what you've been waiting for, the fried egg sandwich, everybody's favorite. So we need a bunch of stuff. We need 2 slices of bread, some mushrooms and spinach, piece of turkey bacon, and an egg. We also need our toaster and a frying pan. So here we go. First step is we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna put it in the toaster. So I have my toaster right next to me. I'm gonna pop it in there and you'll hear it when it pops up. So toast is in. Then I want to put my pan on, turn it on. Let's get it to 2. Get it heated. A little bit of cooking spray there again. Again, if you're at home, you can use butter, or you can even use oil at this point because of our veggies. So once that's on, we're going to get our bacon in. Remember, this is turkey bacon, so it doesn't have grease, which is safer to cook with. And then my spinach or mushrooms. Now, I like a lot of spinach or mushrooms, as you can tell. But remember, spinach will wilt down to basically nothing. So as that's cooking and my toaster's in the oven, I also want to make sure that I have my plate ready and handy to receive my food when it's done. So I got my plate right here, sitting next to me. And I also have my paper towel so that when I crack my egg, I'll be able to clean up efficiently. So did you notice how I didn't touch anything in the pan? We gotta let it cook. Now you'll start hearing the sizzling. You'll start smelling the spinach. Spinach and mushrooms cook very quickly, and that's why I chose to use them for class. I challenge you to time yourself and see how quickly you can get this done. Did you hear my toast? So my toast popped up, and I'm glad about that, so that it will be ready. There it is. It will be ready when my veggies and my bacon are ready. And actually for this, if you want, you could turn it up just a tad to 3, especially if multiple people are using the burners. I've noticed that sometimes you have to turn up the heat. Hey, a little time lapse. I hope you can hear me because I turned on my exhaust fan also because it got a little smoky in here. So here's my toast. So I want to get my veggies and bacon out of there and onto my bread. I like to cut my bacon in half with my spatula while it's in the pan. I'm gonna shut this off. I cut it in half, that way it's a little easier to manage onto my bread. Ooh, got a mushroom. Hello, guy. Alright, so that's ready. Now I'm going to work on my egg. I can shut my fan off so maybe you can hear me better. There we go. So, I'm just going to take my paper towel, kind of wipe this out a little, and spray it again. And make sure, though, it doesn't get too hot. So there's my 2. And I'm going to crack my egg. This time I'm going to try to get to the center. Oh, got it better. Oh, it just rolls to the side. Okay, throw away my shell, my paper towel. Wash my hands, clean up a little. I got a little egg right there. Whoops, sorry. There we go. And I'm going to fry my egg. Here we go, time lapse, gotta love it. And my egg is pretty well done. Can you see it? There we go. Okay, so I take my pan off and make sure I shut it off. Okay, then I'm putting my fried egg right there on my sandwich. You can add a little salt and pepper if you're in the mood. Salt and pepper. There we go. Put my top on. Voila! Isn't that pretty? What a pretty, yummy sandwich. Mmm.